Okay, doing a 2020 Ford Transit 3.5, replacing the engine air filter. Typically, you just need a 7mm and a torque, but I already replaced this one before with a actual bolt. So, there's usually a collar in there, but somebody already lost that one before. So I'm gonna do that. Take your thumb, slide that sensor back, get that plug undone. That's already undone. We'll put it back the right way. This tab, you just kind of like pinch this in, pull this up. This one, you just lift up, pull back, twist it out the way. Same thing, you're gonna pull it that way and pinch it in at the same time. And then go get it up all the way. Now we're all the way off. Slide that right there. 7. 7. Oh, that's an 8. Let me go get an 8. 8mm. Let's put the 7 there. And then what I do is just take it and twist it to the left. Lost some washer fluid, it's okay. I got more. But it's kind of a pain in the ass to do it with it in there. And take that tube off, take this off. Put this like this. And then pop, pop. There's another tab right here. Just push it in, lift it up. I like to like twist it over and put it like that. And let me get this right here. Feel that dust. I gotta take a picture to my job and prove it. Let's blow that dirt out of there. We're gonna put the air up real quick. Okay. Yeah, sure that's good enough. Oh, don't need that one. Put that there. Put that there. Now this part sucks. These ears, they gotta go in. So when you're pushing it in, we're gonna pull it down and kind of twist it. It's kind of hard to explain, but they kind of suck until you get the hang of it. Because you can think you got it, and then you can pull the back of it up. See, like I could snap it down right here, but then see the back lifts up, it's not all the way down. So slide it to me a little bit, put my hand in the back, kind of push it down. Now, tabs down and secure. So take this, twist it back in there. Ooh, a cap. Somebody lost a cap. Now, 58. Now, get the 7. This is nothing special, just kind of like swings in there. There we go. There. You know, nuts in the throttle body goes between the two ears, and that notch goes right there. There's that. This right here, get that open, because that goes in there, that there. It'll lock? Maybe. There, this one seems right there. This bolt's gonna go through. And that's it.